What's up? Welcome back, and let's make this quick so we can get right back into the video. I'm Taco. Hit that sub button with the notification bell ticked so you never miss a video again. And if you like art, give this video a nice thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my other socials like Instagram. I'm trying to post more frequently there, and my TikTok, which I actually just finished an art challenge and I'm starting a new one today. All those links will be in the description down below, and let's get back to the video. The last one we got here. There we go. Now that this is off, we can start drawing. This is the rubbing alcohol I'm going to use to clean the surface of the wood, just to make sure that there's no protective coating on it. But first, I'm going to try this on the back, just to see if it fucks with the wood. Because, you know, you don't want to fuck with the wood.
He for sure is like,
excuse me, that's my chair.
He's if like there's never a chance.
That's my chair, you know. No, what do you have to say for yourself? That's Papa's chair.
I think she's moving to Houston. I don't know. I feel like she wouldn't leave Texas.
2 hours later.
I used this glazing medium to try and save my sketch on the wood, but to be honest, I don't think I actually needed it, and it was really annoying when the light would hit it. It would get this glare and you really couldn't see the sketch anyway. So this took about 6.5 hours over a couple days. Overall, I do think this was a successful piece, and I would definitely say this was way out of my comfort zone, but I truly enjoyed creating it. As I sit here staring at it and analyzing it, I see a lot of things that I like and some things I can improve on. For example, I think I could have added more blue and purple to the chest area. Also, I feel like the white that I added, I could have either done without or properly added it where the highlights would, you know, properly go. I think I could have improved on the proportions a bit. I do think Mr. Rooster needs to go on a diet, but all jokes aside, I should have made him less of a bell shape and more of an oval. But you know, thick roosters need some loving too. I feel that I did rush the feet a little bit. I just kind of wanted to get them done, and I just kind of went for a black shape or an outline of the feet instead of actually working some detail in there. But if I did add a lot of detail in the feet, I feel like it would have taken away from the focal point, which was the face and the eye. Speaking of the face, I really did like how it came out. At first I was super worried about how to approach it, which is why I left it for later. As I first approached the face, I just started with this red that I had and realized it was way too red and it needed to be more pink. So I started to panic, but then I remembered I could use the rag to wipe it away, which I guess I was a little late because some of the paint dried, which left it like this transparent pink layer, which I really enjoyed and kept trying to mimic with the next couple of layers. Another thing that I love about the face is the beak. I was working off of a reference photo, and I thought it was going to be impossible to remake the color of the beak, but I gotta say, I impressed myself. I also impressed myself with the dangly part under the beak and the floppy part on top of its head, and I probably should know what they are called, which after a really quick Google search, I found out what they are called. The bottom part is called a wattle, which is fucking awesome, and the top part is called a comb. which if you think about it, I gave my rooster a comb over. Well, anyway, do you think you can tell how a rooster or a chicken are feeling based on their comb or wattle? You know, like orcas with their dorsal fin? I don't know why that popped into my head. After some quick Googling, I found out that a good healthy wattle is soft, blemish-free, and deep red. Also, that indicates really good blood flow. So, you know, in case you're in the market for some chickens and roosters, the more you know. But let me know in the comments down below if you know more about roosters and chickens. I'm actually genuinely curious, so... Thank you for sticking to the end of the video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, to let me know that you stayed here this long, give this video a thumbs up and some good vibes in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to bring those good vibes to my other socials. Links for those are in the description down below. And what do you say we just get into these final shots so I can go eat my cake pop?